So growth is solidly in the twos. That's down from more than 3% last quarter and over 4% mid-year. Consumer spending, a big part of the U.S. economy, also grew at the end of the year, but again at a slower pace than the previous quarter. Here to discuss is Julie Neiman. She's an analyst with Smith Moore & Company in St. Louis. Hey, Julie.
Morning, Tracy.
So, Julie, dig into today's numbers for us. What are the parts of the economy that are doing well or maybe less well?
Well, the key thing is the consumer is slowing down from two major reasons. First of all, the shutdown. That had a big ripple effect through the economy. And yes, it did end January 25th, but it made everybody very skittish, and it really pulled out of consumption there. But the tariffs are having a bigger and longer impact on it. And especially here in the Midwest and the agricultural area, it's causing real damage to farmers. And so we're seeing big losses in income because of the tariffs. And this is continuing on, and this is one of the key areas where we're going to lose a lot of economic growth.
Okay, and if we zoom out to the full year, growth was about 3%. That's solid, obviously peaked in the second quarter with more than 4%. But what do you think? Can we keep up these levels in 2019?
Well, in 2018, though, the market had the Red Bull of the tax break. Now, the tax break actually was very uneven. It helped corporations tremendously. Very little actually trickled down into the consumer economy. And the economy is run by consumers. 70% is relying upon consumers. So unless it really trickles down to the rest of us, you're not going to get a sustainable growth right there. It's all in the numbers, and that's what we had last year. Growth was in the numbers as opposed to really effective growth in the U.S. economy.
All right, Julie Neiman with Smith Moore & Company in St. Louis. Thanks so much, Julie.
You bet.